Hi, my name is Zoltan. I lost my job in 2008 as a restaurant manager. I invested a lot of money to my education, and then it was very painful when I realized that if you have a boss, anybody can fire you anytime. So I knew that I have to start my own business, but unfortunately, or fortunately, I didn't have a big savings. So I started my e-commerce business 14 years ago. So if you are somebody who has a job, but you are struggling, you are in a rat race, you wake up early mornings, you spend all your time with your boss, not with your wife or your husband, or you don't see your children, you have no time to enjoy your hobbies, you are sick and tired of being sick and tired. You think you deserve more than just the average income, and you're looking for the solution. I know you are skeptical. There's a lot of gurus out there who are selling their coaching program, a mentorship program, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000. They give you all the recipes and then they leave you alone. I do a little bit differently. So I'm not going to take you any money, any upfront money for my coaching program. I select people. If you are the right one, if you qualify the requirements, I take you under my wing. I educate you, I show you step by step what I have done. And then you share a tiny bit of profit with me each month, only if you make profit. If you don't make profit, you don't pay me anything. I think it's a very, very fair deal.